Want to create a website quickly without touching a single line of code? With Bubble, building a website is not just possible, it's actually enjoyable, even if you don't have a technical background. No-code tools have completely changed the game. Instead of worrying about programming languages, servers, databases, and complicated setups, you can focus on your idea. That's it. And Bubble makes that process incredibly simple because it's a full-stack development platform, meaning everything you need is already built in. You don't have to decide what kind of builder to use. Whether you're creating a landing page, a marketplace, a SaaS product, or a full web app, Bubble supports it all. You don't have to look for hosting. Your website runs on Bubble. You don't have to figure out how to set up a database. It's already integrated and ready to go. You don't have to stress about user privacy and security. Bubble includes built-in tools to help you protect your users' data. And when it comes to design, you can start with professionally designed templates and customize them however you like, or even use Bubble's AI-powered page designer to generate a layout and refine it visually. That's the real magic. Everything works through a visual drag-and-drop editor. You build your pages by placing elements exactly where you want them, you create workflows visually, you structure your data without writing back-end code. It's powerful, but it feels simple. Instead of spending weeks figuring out frameworks, integrations, and infrastructure, you can move fast, really fast. And if you ever feel stuck, you're not alone. The Bubble Forum is filled with experienced builders ready to help. There's also detailed build guides that walk you through creating different types of apps, so you're always supported. Here's the best part. You can build on Bubble for free until you're ready to launch. That means you can experiment, refine, test, and perfect your project without pressure. So if you've been putting off building your website because it felt too technical or too overwhelming, this is your sign. With Bubble's visual editor and powerful built-in tools, you'll spend less time worrying about how to build and more time bringing your idea to life. And honestly, you'll probably finish faster than you think.